Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Harbor Breeze light kit not working. Step by step repair instructions. Fix 1 is check the light bulbs. Turn off the fan and the circuit breaker, then remove the light cover or glass shade. Check if the bulb is loose or burned out. Then tighten the bulb or replace it with a compatible one. Restore power and test the light. Second one is reset the circuit breaker. Turn off the wall switch, go to a home electrical panel, then find the breaker for the ceiling fan. Turn it off, then back on. Turn the light back on and check if it works. Third one is check the pull chain or wall switch. Pull the light chain once if your fan has one. Then make sure the wall switch controlling the light is turned on. Then test the light again. Fourth one is replace the remote battery. Open the remote battery cover, then install a new battery of the correct type. Close the battery cover, then press the light button to test the light. Fifth one is check the light kit wire connection. Turn off the power at the breaker, then remove the light kit from the fan. Make sure the wire connectors are fully plugged in. Then reconnect any loose plugs, reinstall the light kit and restore power. Thanks for watching.